Upbeat music plays. Camera fades in to the two steam mops, the H2O MOP X5 on the left and the GorFanty steam mop on the right. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a cleaning showdown between two steam mops that promise to make your floors shine. On my left, the H2O MOP X5, and on my right, the GorFanty steam mop. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The H2O MOP X5 is priced at $169, which some reviewers believe is a bit high given its quality. While it offers good cleaning performance, some users have mentioned that the materials feel cheap and flimsy. On the other hand, the GorFanty steam mop comes in at $119, making it a more budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate this value for money, especially considering its versatility and effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces. Next, let's discuss versatility. The H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 machine that can handle hard floors, carpets, and even garments. But some users have noted its limitations, especially on tile floors and grout. In contrast, the GorFanty steam mop shines with its 10-in-1 functionality, coming with multiple attachments that allow it to clean a wider range of surfaces effectively. Reviewers rave about its ability to convert into a handheld steamer and the convenience of its detachable water tank. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The H2O MOP X5 operates at 1300 watts, which some users find powerful enough for everyday cleaning tasks, but others have expressed disappointment with its effectiveness on tougher stains. In contrast, the GorFanty steam mop reaches a steam temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which reviewers highlight as being exceptional for removing stubborn stains and sanitizing surfaces. Its powerful steam output has made it a favorite among users dealing with tough messes. Let's talk about ease of use. The H2O MOP X5 is lightweight and easy to switch to handheld mode, making it user-friendly. However, some users have reported issues with the durability of attachments. Meanwhile, the GorFanty steam mop features a 23-foot cord, allowing for greater reach without the hassle of unplugging constantly. Many reviewers find it easy to maneuver and appreciate its lightweight design, which enhances its overall usability. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The H2O MOP X5 is praised for its versatility and ease of use, but some users have concerns about its build quality and cleaning power. The GorFanty steam mop, however, receives high marks for its affordability, powerful steam, and multifunctional capabilities, making it a favorite among many. So which mop is the winner? If you're looking for versatility and a great price, the GorFanty steam mop is your best bet. But if you want raw steam power, the H2O MOP X5 might just be your cleaning soulmate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description below. Until next time, keep it clean and smart.